Okay, so I just wanted to make a video of the trains again. Fortunately, they're not Lenin Alliance School. September 2024 and 2-ton. It's been running, I think. Actually, no. Is this one? LG scroll compressor. August 2024, and it's a 2.5 ton. And here's also nothing there. Okay, I just wanted to make this video. Due to the saying, this is the last time you'll see these trains. The people are moving in tomorrow. So, I just wanted to come over and make one final video of these train units. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos of the trains. Over and out. So unfortunately I will not get any defaults of these. Okay, over and out.